Hi, I want to talk to you today about the possible causes of low back pain. One of the possible causes is something called repetitive use, repetitive motion, or repetitive stress injuries. So, what that means is you use muscles all the time on a consistent basis based on your sleeping patterns and your work habits and things like that. So, there's a neurological law called Davis's law, and quickly it says that when muscles are shortened, they're going to become a lot more tone and stronger. And if the muscles are stretched, they're going to become weaker and lose tone. So, to give you an example, most people sit at a desk all day, and the muscles in their front, called the hip flexors, the front of their hip, get really tight. The back of the knee, the hamstrings, get really tight. And both of these groups of muscles can cause low back pain. So, this is from sitting constantly, and you're always stretching and weakening your glutes and the front of your legs, called the quads. So I want to show you what happens when you sit at a desk all the time. Your hip is going to go into what's called an anterior tilt. And when your pelvis does that, look what it's doing to the spine. It's curving your spine into an exaggerated lordotic curve. That can bring the spinous processes closer together, pinching skin, pinching ligaments, or other soft tissue. Also, when it goes into that tilt, it can open up the spaces in front of your vertebrae to possibly lead to herniations and spinal stenosis. So we don't want any of that. So we don't want to be sitting and creating these tight muscles that cause low back pain.